All right, here we are. You guys did a great job. Let's hear it for them. What a job. All right, let's see. Let's have Leah and Cecilia get up here. Leah. Good job. Hi, Gillian. What do you say? You're welcome. What do you say? You're welcome. All right. Good job. All right, let's have Talia and Ellie.